Hello, my name is Rick O'Hara, and I'm one of the senior Sage Timeslips consultants here at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. I started with the company in the spring of 2004, and I have enjoyed providing consulting and training for Sage Timeslips as it has improved in capability over the years. JCS has been in business since 1984, getting started with Sage Peachtree accounting software, now referred to as Sage 50 Cloud. Today, we'd like to introduce you to the top 6 new features in Sage Timeslips Premium 2020 and talk about how these new features can help you become more efficient at the office. This is the first of which is the ability to restrict slip entry before or after a date. This way, you won't deal with the frustration of not billing any slip because a wrong date was entered. Now is not the time to miss any revenue that needs to be included on a client bill. This illustration shows you how to go to General Settings, Transactions and Slips, AR and Funds to set up a beginning and ending date restriction on your slips. This will help prevent any mistakes when timekeepers are entering slip dates so they do not get recorded with a previously billed date or future date. It's also now simple to detect if timers are running on slips with a new Stop Timers dialog box. This window shows slips with timers running and their duration, so it's easy to spot anomalies. There's also an option to stop a timer automatically if it hits a certain threshold. For example, you can set no timer uh, that can exceed longer than 8 hours. Another great new feature has been added, a security feature which allows you to password protect your bills and statements. When bills are emailed in a PDF format and they go out into the internet universe, and the detail of the service provided to clients is there for anyone to see. If that's a concern to you, users can now password protect bills and statements printed to PDF so only authorized viewers can open them. Now you can also customize the list view and search features. You can control the fields that appear in Timekeeper list windows. Print a list of names from a list window that reflects the columns you choose to display. Search on any of the displayed columns in a name list. This illustration shows how to select the fields you want to be displayed. Timeslips 2020 also has new options for LawPay. New tokens for LawPay messages on bills that include replenishment amounts, LawPay link with invoice plus replenish amount, and LawPay link with balance plus replenish amount. This way, it makes it easy for your clients to pay on time by accepting online payments. 59% of firms report that they get paid late. And it also shows that you can get paid 39% faster with online credit card payments. So reach out to me for more information on how to start using LawPay at 1-800-475-1047. I hope you take advantage of these new features in Sage Timeslips 2020 and find that this has been helpful. Call us again today for your free test drive. We'll show you how the benefits of Sage Timeslips 2020 Premium can help you organize your billing for more accuracy and faster revenue billing. Again, that number is 1-800-475-1047 or email me at the email address shown below. Thank you.